welcome back to a new video, and it's about widescreen of death of WordPress. And it doesn't indicate anything and there's no error, but today I will tell you first of all what are the causes. It can be because of memory limits or conflicts with themes or plugins because it's not updated or whatever, or even a syntax error in the code. And let's go to the first solution. So if you have Hostinger, this video will be super helpful for you, or this solution, not the video, but just apply it to every hosting for you. So first of all, go to Hostinger and then go to Home and then Premium Web Hosting, then Manage. And then please select your file manager. If you don't have Hostinger, just go to your file manager and then search here for WP config. Config, and enter. And then you need to choose this file, which is in public HTML. Okay, all right, here's my file, and then search for that's all, stop editing. By the way, I will put every single step in a blog. I will write a blog and everything will be okay, right? Okay, and then under this, just copy paste this, put it here, and then save. This will be the first one. Alright, for the second solution, again, go to the file manager and okay, let's go from the beginning. So here, go to public HTML, then WP content, then search for plugins. Here we will rename this folder to plugins old, for example. This thing will deactivate all the plugins and let's say reset the plugins in your website or in your WordPress website. This also will fix your the issue, but first of all, go again to your website, check if everything is going well, and then enable or activate again a plugin by plugin again. All right? Okay. For the third solution, again here we will now go to themes and rename it to themes old, for example, and this will reset or go back to the first theme, and it will for sure solve the problem, because if it's not the plugins, then it's because of themes. Okay, and I think this one by the way worked for me, so I did this and then I tried another theme and then I put my previous one and tried to reactivate plugins one by one until yeah, I fixed it. Of course, I will put all the codes and all the solutions in this blog, so you can come here. I will put it in the description box, so you can come here and just copy paste the codes, and also I put some other stuff that you can that it can help you, but it can help everyone, but you can also try it. So like this solution, like this one, so you can find more than 3. In the video I just gave you 3, here I gave you more. So yeah, just come here and fix your problem. And finally, I really hope that this video helped you a lot and you fixed your problem, because today I was off, I was scared, and yeah, now I really feel so comfortable that also I am showing you the solution. And yeah, my job is finished now. Bye bye.